to get this steep. Okay. It's like really steep. Whoa, Ellie. Yeah, see, like, if I look at the camera level, I can't even put the top of the hill in frame. Huh. Okay. Oh, those are deep ruts. The only thing this car might not do very well. Let's inspect. Because I know it could go down it. It looks like there's a return. Whoa, that's gnarly right there. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, wait. Huh? No. Shit. The thing is I see my path, but I'm betting. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm betting up there is fenced, and this was the go around path for the wheelers and crawlers and stuff. I would try this, especially after that little jaunt I just did a minute ago. But I don't have a yeah. See how tall this hill is? It's not a places you can't even walk. Well, we get to. Oh, I'm out of shape. I'm already out of wind. Oh, out of breath. Ha! Wow. Here's the level. Oh, cars, look at that. All right. Okay. Now let's make an attempt to back up this. I was thinking I could turn around, but I don't see a turnaround. I remember I said I didn't know if they had an exit. Well, it did. Let's try hitting it. Ooh. I was in third, no! Oh god, those ruts are steep! Oh, Jesus. Oh. Stay out of the big ruts, stay out of the big ruts. Okay. Hell yeah, look at that. Woo! Good car. Woo! That was intense. This is, I got open diffs right now. Open diffs. Not even aired down. I'm at road pressure.